KickstartNet was designed to help make your learning experience more effective and enjoyable. It provides more opportunities to communicate with other students and teachers, access extra language resources, complete interactive exercises, submit your homework online, and receive feedback from your teacher. To log into KickstartNet, please go to KickstartNet.nl and please enter your username and password. The username and password were provided to you on the confirmation email that you received once we registered you in the course. If you don't remember your login details, please check that email to retrieve the information. You will be then taken to the home page. If you want to change the language settings or the language that you will use to navigate the website, click on Language in the drop-down menu. You can choose between Dutch and English. On the home page, you will see an overview of all our courses, news, and events. To access your course, go to the navigation block on the left-hand side of the page and click on My Courses. You will only have access to the courses in which you are enrolled. Courses are divided per chapter or unit according to the relevant course book and include a range of grammar, vocabulary, reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises. For the courses Starter Pack for Beginners, Stepping Stone 1, 2, and 3, you must complete self-correcting exercises on the Coutinho website, which is the publisher of the course books. The direct links to the exercises that you're required to complete for each chapter have been provided in your KickstartNet course for easy access. In here you will also see a list of the answers for those exercises provided beneath each page. This is the list of exercises, for example, of links to the exercises on the Coutinho website. However, to access these Coutinho exercises, you must first create an account on Coutinho. To make an account on Coutinho, go to coutinho.nl. Click on inloggen, which means to log in, and as you don't have your login details yet, click on Ik wil een account aanmaken. That means I want to create an account. Here, please fill out all the details required, which are voornaam, that means first name, achternaam, last name, email address twice, and a password twice. Once you fill out all these details, click on Registreren to register. You will then receive a confirmation email from Coutinho that your account has been made. So you go back to the login page and add your account details. After logging in, you reach your account page. On the account page, click on Mijn producten, Mijn products. You will be taken to a page which will be probably empty for you, as you haven't activated any online materials yet. So you click on Activeer direct je code. In here, you enter the 20-digit code from the inside cover of your book. This code is valid for 2 years after activating it. Once you fill out these sections, click on Activeer mijn code. You will then be able now to access your study materials online. For our remote classes, we use a program called Zoom. Please go to zoom.us. It is free to use, and you can either use it on the browser or download the app on your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. First and foremost, we have to create an account. Click on Sign Up. It's free. You can either sign up using your email address, or you can sign in using one of these three options. Once you complete the registration, go back to zoom.us and click on Sign In. Add your email address and password. You will then go to your account page. To be able to join our course, click on Join a Meeting. And an email will be sent to you shortly before the beginning of the course with all the instructions on how to join the course. In here, you will also receive, indeed, a meeting ID, which you will add here. Click on Join. If you don't want to download and run Zoom on your desktop computer, you can click on Launch Meeting. If you cannot download or run the application, join from your browser. You can add your name here, and then you will also have to add the password also provided in the email I just mentioned before. The web version of Zoom does not have all the functionalities that the program has. For this reason, it is recommended to download the program and use it from your desktop computer, laptop, or tablet. This way, you'll have all the functionalities and all the possibilities to fix any problems that may arise. Once you have logged in, you should check your audio and preferably switch on your camera too. This can be done by clicking on the icons at the bottom left corner. If the microphone is not on mute but still you can't hear the teacher or they can't hear you, then please click on this arrow next to the audio icon for adjusting your settings. More information is on the instructions we sent you in the email provided to you before the beginning of the course. When using Zoom, there are two viewing options. There is the gallery view that shows you all the participants and yourself, as it is in this case. You can then change it to the speaker view. On the top right-hand side of the Zoom meeting, and the speaker view only shows you the person who's speaking at that very moment. You can switch the viewing anytime during the class. There are several features provided by Zoom which are very useful for each lesson, one of which is the screen sharing. Usually the teacher uses the share screen icon to share their browser, mainly Kix Arnett, when she has to make you listen to some audio files or watch some videos. And she can also share a whiteboard. A whiteboard is used as a whiteboard usually used in class, in a physical classroom. The advantage of this whiteboard is that you can save it at the end of each lesson so that you can store all the information the teacher added to the whiteboard each time on your computer. Another useful feature that can be used during each lesson is the chat. So once you click on the chat icon, there will be a chat box appearing. Here you can type a message to everyone or to a specific participant. Here you can also upload files to share with one participant or all of them. For more information about how to use Zoom, or if you have any more questions, please refer to the FAQ document sent to you via email or contact us at info@kickstarschool.nl or call us on 070 360 7860.